Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you all unlock methods on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you want to secure your phone, you'll need to lock your screen with a password or a pattern or a pin basically. And today I'll show you all lock methods on your Google Pixel 8. So to check them up, open up your settings and scroll down here to security and privacy, and then device unlock. So basically I'll start with the screen lock options. So none, basically no screen lock. Swipe, I'll show you how it works. So it's the most common screen lock, I guess. So just swipe and you'll get to your phone. And the next option is more secure than that two options. This is a pattern, so basically you'll need to draw a line on this dot. So something like this. Next, redraw your pattern again, and that's it. I'll show you how it works. So like this. And you have unlocked your phone. The next option is pin basically. So that's a 4 to 60 digits code. So for example like this. And that's how it looks on your screen lock. And the last option is most secure from here, the complex password. So basically 4 to 16 characters including digits and letters. So basically you can choose from plenty of combinations to secure your phone, and that's how it looks on your screen lock. And two more options, so fingerprint So basically you just need to hold on the fingerprint sensor like this and it will scan your finger. And the last option is face unlock. Set up the face unlock, I agree. And basically you'll just scan your face and it will unlock by just you looking at your phone. So basically that's all the unlock methods on the Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.